impact of that stone.
It was all about the impact of the feature wall.
Can I just do this for a while? This
It
is
is
heaven.
gorgeous.
Oh my God.
This is heaven.
Can you imagine how hard this was to get up here?
No, I can't.
Holy cow, that's 2 big slabs
Mind-blowing.
of natural stone. That's a massive decision.
And the ceiling, wow.
You two are both taking in the stone. I'm taking in the ceiling.
Oh, wow, I didn't even see that.
I think everything that we're seeing in terms of big risks that Carla and Bianca have taken, they've just paid off in spades.
We were really confident that the stone and the timber would work well, so that was the wow factor, and it's nice to see that the judges appreciate that too.
But there was one thing in the room that really offended Neil.
The beauty of those 2 surfaces just makes this seem all the more ugly.
The frosted windows. Awful, he said.
Yep.
Oh, I want to peel it off. It's a decal. Peel that off ASAP, because I think it's really spoiling this beautifully refined bathroom.
What'd you do that for?
Last-minute decision.
We didn't want the creeps down the road to see people showering. Damned if you do, damned if you don't. Like,
Yeah.
if we didn't have them and they stood in the shower and said, oh, look, people can see in from here, it would have been a shame if we didn't put them on.
Shona feels like you are going for a corporate St Kilda market. Is that right? Mm-hmm. And this look is an absolute winner. The vanity is superb.
That is so beautiful. It takes it away from being too harsh, that timber.
Oh, and there's something else in there that I've just seen.
Oh, what? In here?
Yeah.
Darren was all over it.
The cabinet is its own speaker.
Cool.
How cool is that?
That's
we're
amazing.
We're not messing up the ceilings with speakers and stuff. It's built into there.
The cabinet as a speaker, what?
Yeah, but it actually vibrates through the cabinet. That's how you get the sound.
Wow. Amazing.
So on to the storage question.
Is there sufficient storage in this bathroom for you?
No. Because you open that drawer and you get 3 towels. Do you put your bottles and they stand up and stay there? No, even with dividers, it won't be enough.
What you needed was face-level storage.
I've got 4 face-level storage cabinets in my bathroom, and I don't even have any hair, and they're all full.
Eye-level storage for us in that room was impossible. We couldn't put it in the steel frame, so we're going to have to work out next bathroom that we do another option to try and get it in.
The apartment that's going to come from this, if it's heading in this direction, I cannot wait to see this apartment come to life.
He reckons you have hit the jackpot.
So do we.
So do we.